So hello guys, मैं हूँ आपके प्यारे दोस्त
हाँ जगदीश भगत बोलता है।
और आज हम देखेंगे मैथ्स का क्लास 10 का कंस्ट्रक्शन लेसन। सो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। So guys, we have came to the part 1. This is part 1, construction of triangle. In the next video we will do 2, that is the construction of a circle. Okay, let's begin with the part 1, that is construction of triangle. If you like the video, like it and comment us for the more videos. So here is the question. The question is, the construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm, and that the triangle similar to its whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Okay, so this is the question. So here 2 by 3 is the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Okay, so how to draw this one, so we will teach you. Okay, so now we will see the justification of this question. Okay, first we will see the justification and we will explain you in the that way. Okay, so let's here as the came the justification, you can see it. So we can do it now, the triangle. So how to make it a triangle? Okay, how to construct a triangle? Okay, let's see, check it, how to make it. So here they are given as the 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm. 6 cm you have to do in the downside. Okay, so we have to do in the downside. This is 6 because bigger number. So upper number you can do it in the 5 cm and 4 cm by a compass. Okay, so after that you have to name that ABC. Okay, and 6 cm, 5 cm and 4 cm you have to draw it. Okay, so now we will draw a line. Okay, towards the downside. So how to draw towards the downside, I will show you now. You can see the video. Okay, so here I am drawing a line towards left to down to the right side. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to name it that A. Okay, name it that is A. Okay, now you have to take it your compass and you have to take it as 2 cm or 1 cm. Okay, you have to draw 3 times because in your questions you can see that 2 by 3 they have given, correct? So 3 is a bigger number, so you have to arc it as 3 times. Okay, you have to arc 3 times. After that they have told that 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 is a numerator and 3 is a denominator, you know that. Okay, so first we will name it as A1, A2 and A3. Okay, so you have to draw it. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Okay, so next we will so now we will put a line from A3 to upper side, that will be your C. So how to draw I will show you. Now you can see I put a dead line and I will keep it as C. Okay, so like this we will put it this C. Okay, and in the upper side we will take it as B. Okay, so next what we have to do, you can see in the question that they are told 2 by 3. In the denominator we have done, we have to do 2. What is 2? What we have to do now, that we have to see. Okay, now from the A2 to C you have to put a line, means parallel line. Okay, so A3 to C, how we have done, A2 to C dash. Okay, you have to put a parallel line. Okay, you can see I have done a parallel line. Okay, so next what you have to do, you have to keep it as C dash. Okay, you can keep it. Okay, next what you have to do, you have to samely you have to put it to BC. How we have done, from C dash to B dash you have to put a parallel line towards that. Okay, so after that you have to name it as B dash, C dash or anything. Okay, so next what you have to do means, so okay, now you have to put an arc. Okay, in the first you have to put an arc, so I have done in the last only. Okay, so it is nothing problem. Okay, so what you have to do means, you have to put an arc towards A2 and A3. You have to check it the measurement and you have to make it the arc. Okay, samely for A2 and samely for upper side. Okay, so now what you have to do, so now you have to write the justification. How to write a justification I will say you now. Okay, So how to write a justification? Okay, in the first we have to check it the two triangles. In there you can see the ABC and A3, and you can see the triangle, two triangles, correct? So BC and B dash C dash is parallel, and CA3 and C dash A2, that is parallel, correct? So what you have to do means, they were given that in triangle A3C, A3C parallel to A2C1, correct? So first we will which triangle it is in the downside, correct? A3 and C. It's a one triangle, you know that. In the first we will check it what will there. Okay, first we will check it the parallel line. You can see CA3 and C dash A2 in the downside, correct? Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to write it in the, there you can see in the justification figure. Okay, if the parallel lines are there, you have to make it in the same parallel. Okay, so next what they have given, that A2 A3 means, what you have to do means, you have to check it the points of the arc. Okay, so so see in the figure how I am doing. So similarly AC dash and AC, that is 2 by 3, smallest side and biggest side, correct? Okay, in the next we will check it in the second, that is in triangle ABC, that is the upper side, BC parallel to B dash C dash. Okay, so you can see the parallel lines, correct? So you can see BC parallel to B dash C dash. Okay, so what they have given means, AB dash by AB is equal to AC dash by AC. Same, how much arcs you have done, how much points have done, you have to check in the triangles, correct? So from A and 1 and 2 arc we have learned that AB dash by AB is equal to AC dash by AC, that's equal to B dash by C dash by BC, that's equal to 2 by 3, you know that, correct? So from 1 and 2 you can see AC dash and AC in the second, AC dash by AC is same, correct? So in that we can see, okay, you can see in the triangle below I am putting in a green line. Okay, you can check it how I am doing. So samely we have to put a line from the, we can write it in the justification. Okay, so this much, it is very easy, you can see that. Okay, let's go to the second question. Okay, in the following figure. Okay, so here is the question, second question. You can see, construct a triangle with sides 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeter, and another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. What we have to do? So first we will check it the justification in the side. Okay, so we will keep, and after that we have to do it a triangle. Okay, here is the justification, you can see that. Okay, so let's make it a triangle. They are telling about 5 centimeters, 6 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. You can see, after that you can see that 7 by 5 corresponding sides of the first triangle. Okay, so which is the biggest number, that is 7. So 5, 6, 7, 7. Okay, so 7 centimeter in the down and 6 and 5 centimeter up, it's a compost. Okay, so next what we have to do, you have to put a line in down and make it an arc. Okay, but to arc, how much arc you have to do means 7 arc. Okay, you have to do 7 arcs. Okay, so you can samely you can see in the first question I have shown now. Second question is also same, biggest number you have to make it that much arcs. Okay, so here I am doing arc, you can see. Now we will do it arc 7 times. Okay, so we are making the arcs. So after making an arc, we will name them A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 and A. Okay, so it is something different. Okay, so then in the, you can see in the first, that is 7 by 5. 7 is in numerator, it is biggest number, it is coming in the numerator, so it can be become a larger side, correct? So you can see that A5 and A7 they have given, so I will write in short form. Okay, so after that we will name it the values ABC. Okay, okay, next what you have to do, you have to attach. Okay, so A5 to C you have to do. Okay, after doing that we have to put an arc from A7 to upper side. We will keep its name as C1. Okay, C dash we will take it otherwise. Okay, samely in the upper side we have to take B dash. Let's name the arcs. Okay, so C dash and B dash. After that you can do it in the arc of the A7 and A5, and A5 you have to make in an arc. In the same way you are making the C dash to C. Okay, how to make, you can see that. Okay, samely you can make it in the next question. Okay, so samely you can make it in the next question. So question is, draw a triangle ABC with side B is equal to 7, BC is equal to 7 cm, B is equal to 45 degree, A is equal to 105 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Let's make it a triangle. So samely you can make it. Okay, it is very easy. So they are telling BC is equal to 7 centimeter, correct? So we will make it a big triangle with the side, because 4 by 3 times they are telling means 4 is in the numerator, means it will become a big triangle. Okay, so now we will put in arc. So let's take it this one as anything number, you can take it as a B, A, B. Okay, so same the arc you have to do, and you can solve. Okay, so I have not done that much fully, you can do it at all. Okay, so next you have to do arcs and nothing, and justification you have to put it. Okay, so this much, and you have to name that questions, and you have to put it the justification. So comment us if you did not understood this one, comment us. Okay, in this third question you have to do it simply arc like this. So after arcing you have to justify. Okay, if you did not understood, comment us, we will tell you. Okay, we will reply you in before one day. You have to comment us. Okay, so please subscribe our channel by adding in this red color button, subscribe button. Like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos. And yes, next what you have to do, you have to do like this: put the bell icon, put it in the all button, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. So thank you. So this much only today. For the in the next part 2 we will do it. So thank you. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Yes, you can like, if you like the video you can like. If you do not like the video, you can comment the video. So thank you.